Let's see how to easily install any app on your Apple Watch. Just press this crown to go to your app library. From your app library, you have to find out the App Store. So scroll down and open App Store. Once you are in your App Store, tap on the search app icon. And now, here, you can type any letter to search for, just like this, or you can tap on this icon, and here you can select voice input, Snapchat, and tap on search. That's how you can easily search for a specific app. Now just tap on the app and go ahead and install the app from App Store, and that's how you can actually do it.